Now I'm going to alter my neckline from the basic neckline to the style I want for the wrap jacket. This is going to be for my front. I won't be using this front anymore. I'm going to draw this to the 1.5 to have a new back neckline. This is my new back neckline for the style we are making. This is going to be my front neckline. For the front, we are cutting 2 pieces. For the back, it's going to be on fold. We are cutting just 1 piece of the back. Now I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to start by cutting the back neckline. When you have 2 designs in one, make sure you always cut the higher neckline first. I'm going to cut it down here. And stop here. Then continue cutting through the front neckline. This is my pattern, both front and back. When I want to cut my back, I'm going to fold this way and use the paper to cut my back. You can do this direct on your fabric also. You can pattern your back first on your fabric, then place the back and use it to get your front. You connect the neck weight straight down to the extension at the blouse length. To cut the band that we're going to use for the collar, for front and back neckline, I'm going to measure my neckline for the back. That is 4.5. Then measure my neckline for the front. That is 29. So I'm going to calculate what I need for the collar band. 29 times 2, that is 58. Also 4.5 times 2, that is 9 inches. I'm going to add the two. 9 inches plus 58 inches, that is 67 inches. I need 67 inches band for my front and my back neckline. I like to cut on fold, so I'm going to divide 67 inches by 2. That is 33.5. I will measure 33.5. It might be longer than what I need, but I can always trim it out. After joining my shoulder, front and back, I can remeasure my front and back neckline and confirm it with this one. I'll trim out the excess. For the wideness of my collar, band, sorry. The wideness of my band is 3 inches, or according to your preference. Then I'm going to add sewing allowance, 0.5. And because it's going to be on fold, I'm going to multiply what I have gotten by 2. That is 3 plus 0.5. That is 3.5 times 2. That is 7 inches. So I'm going to measure 7 inches for my collar band. Here is going to be on fold. Now I'm going to connect the 2 dots with my ruler. This is going to be the size of the collar band I'm going to cut. This is my straight grain. Before I cut my kimono, I'm going to cut off the sleeve. I want to separate the sleeve from the body. I'm going to measure 8 inches up here. And measure 8 inches down here also, and connect it with a line. I'll label this my shoulder, This means that the body will be joined to the sleeve at this point. This is my round sleeve. It's good to label your paper before you separate, so that when you need to cut or when you need to join, you can always know where you're supposed to join together. I'm going to cut my center back first. I'll fold this away. Here is unfold, meaning my fabric is going to be folded here. I'm going to pin it down with my fabric. And cut it out. I'm going to fold this off to have my front. I'm going to pin it down and cut it this way. I'm going to cut 4 pieces of this. I don't have any part on fold, so I don't need the edge to be on fold. I'm just going to place it this way and cut it out. When I cut it out, I have 2 pieces. I'm going to repeat the process, fold it again and cut it out. Then I have 4 pieces. For my collar band, I'm going to place it this way. I have there unfold. Then I'm going to cut it out. This is my straight grain. I'm going to make sure the straight grain is parallel to the edge of my fabric. This is my collar band. Please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you.